Research continues to progress on the mental health benefits of psychedelics used in therapy. Today, a large group met at WOMPA in West Tulsa to raise awareness about its benefits and how to access it here in Oklahoma. Researchers, mental health professionals, and the intrigued gather for a symposium on the use of psychedelics for healing. Christina Conrad is a licensed therapist who offers ketamine-assisted psychotherapy.
I've sat with clients who have reworked sexual assaults, reworked a number of different traumas, and are able to walk out of that and no longer have the same hold on them.
Tulsa Western Doty had his first psychedelic therapy session 3 months ago.
I've never been that person, but I decided to jump in and try it, and I'm glad I did.
He showed up to learn more because after years of therapy, he said this approach brought out issues he hadn't dealt with.
Which took me down a path that I needed to go, which were very positive and kind of life-changing.
Michael Mason is a researcher who spoke on the importance of ending the stigmas.
Loosen the grip on psychedelics so that people feel empowered to use them in a way that's beneficial versus criminal.
Ironically, a criminal is how Mason got drawn to study the effects.
This all started with Todd Skinner, that's true.
Gordon Todd Skinner is a former drug lord serving a life sentence for the torture of a Broken Arrow teenager. As a journalist, Mason says his countless hours interviewing the man who used drugs for evil was also a pioneer in its medicinal benefits.
The research is showing us that these are actually very safe substances, far safer than something like alcohol.
Conrad says it's important the public know the treatment is here because self-treatment is dangerous.
As a community, beginning to have a space to talk about it because it needs to be discussed.
While doctors can prescribe ketamine, psychedelics like mushrooms may be a tougher sell in Oklahoma. The most recent bill to fund a study failed in the legislature. Currently, Colorado is working on regulations for therapy using psychedelic mushrooms after voter approval in 2022.